Let's talk about concepts of motion and position. Okay, what's position? It's the direct distance relative to a reference point. So here our key vocabulary is here: direct distance and reference point. So when we see those wordings, we must be careful. So it is shown with x. So position is shown with x, and its SI unit is meters, and it's a vector quantity. It's important, it's a vector quantity. So what does it mean? That means there should be an arrow on top of this x indeed, right? Okay, and we have another key vocabulary here: distance. So position and distance, they're not the same, right? Okay, distance is a measure of the total path traveled. Total path traveled. This is important to learn too. So distance means total path traveled. It is shown with x, and its SI unit is meters. Okay, so distance doesn't have a direction because it's a scalar quantity. So that's how we can differentiate between position and distance, because position has arrow, but distance doesn't have arrow on top of it. Okay, and let's have a look at displacement. We have another terminology, displacement. This is getting a little bit complex, isn't it? So we have position, we have distance, and we have displacement. Position, distance, and displacement. Okay, so what's displacement? It is the shortest directed distance from the initial position to the final position. I know that it sounds a bit complicated, but it's not really. So the keywords here are from the initial position to the final position. That gives us the displacement. And as it states, it's going to be a direct line, because it says directed distance, it says, right? Like it's going to be a direct line. So distance can be wiggly wobbly, but this is distance, but this one is distance, but displacement is the direct line. This is displacement. Yeah, and displacement is a vector quantity. Yeah, and yeah, we show it with delta x. So it's the basically, this is the final position. Here is the final position, and here is the initial position.